So within Business Central, there's two things on the item that can carry through using our example R365 Ducati widget. The first one is when we're setting up multiple suppliers, so multiple vendors, we've got the ability to have that vendor's item ID. But we can also have that carry through to the item references, which means when we're talking about this vendor, we have 3 item IDs, which are all different, relating to different purchase unit of measure. Now, if I was to turn around and look at the description we have here, which is example widget, and we're going to look at each of these here by the box, by the each, by the PAL. So I've added my own description that matches the reference number on this item. So that's going to actually help us in purchasing, change or adapt our description to what the supplier may be comfortable with versus confusing them by our internal description. The other thing that may be important for you is what's called extended text. And here I've created an extended text. I've said here, this is an extended text, and I've enabled here for it to be on purchase documents. So let's now go back and let's now go to a purchase order, new purchase order, raising a new PO for right size 365. I'm going to select the example widget, and straight away you can see the product ID has loaded, but the description now is not using the item's description. It's using the item description off the cross-reference. If I go to an each, my item number changes, my description changes. If I go to a box, my item number and my description changes. I can say 10 of that, thank you. Okay, and just like that, we've got ourselves, it's allowed you to expose your vendor's item numbers to them as we purchase from them. Another thing that's cool is you can actually go to your item, and if you need the extended text, you can insert multiple lines directly underneath that item as comments, and it creates spaces between the items. Super cool.